આજે આપણે 8મો પેરેગ્રાફ જોઈશું. One day Prem Chopra guided Ramsing 070 to Zaveri Brothers for lifting precious gems. The police was waiting in readiness and the computerized cameras capable of split-second recording clicked him in the act. Ramsing robot was caught, but Prem Chopra fled as soon as he saw through the binoculars two persons noting down Ramsing's license number printed on his metallic neck. Prem Chopra was arrested from his home as owner of Ramsing 070, the thief. Where did Prem Chopra guide Ramsing 070 for what? કે પ્રેમ ચોપરા રામસિંગ 070 ને ક્યાં લઈ ગયો અથવા તો શું માર્ગદર્શન આપ્યું અને શાના માટે? તો પહેલી જ લીટી આવશે, પ્રેમ ચોપરા ગાઈડેડ રામસિંગ 070 ટુ ઝવેરી બ્રધર્સ. શાના માટે? ફોર લિફ્ટિંગ પ્રેસિયસ જેમ્સ. એટલે આ લાઈન બેઠી લખવાની છે કે પ્રેમ ચોપરા ગાઈડેડ રામસિંગ 070 ટુ ઝવેરી બ્રધર ફોર લિફ્ટિંગ પ્રેસિયસ જેમ્સ. હાઉ વોઝ રામસિંગ 070 caught? કે રામસિંગ 070 કેવી રીતે પકડાયો? કેવી રીતે પકડાયો? તો રામસિંગ 070 the police was waiting in readiness and the computerized camera capable of split second of recording clicked Ramsing in act and Ramsing was caught. Why did Prem Chopra flee? Prem Chopra શા માટે ભાગી ગયો? તો Prem Chopra fled. ફ્લીનું શું થશે? fled. Because હવે as soon as કાઢી નાખવાનું, એને બદલે શું મૂકવાનું? because 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 he saw through the binoculars two persons noting down Ramsing's license number and printed on his metallic neck. So say Prem Chopra fled because he saw two persons noting down Ramsing's license number. આટલું લખશો તો પણ ચાલશે. Why was Prem Chopra arrested? Prem Chopra ને શા માટે પકડવામાં આવ્યો? તો Prem Chopra was arrested because from his home નહીં લખવાનું. Prem Chopra was arrested પછી શું મૂકશો? because 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 he was owner of Ramsing. because તમારે ઉમેરવાનું છે he was owner of Ramsing. Prem Chopra was arrested because he was owner of Ramsing. Soon after his arrest, Prem Chopra was released on bail until the court hearing. None of the stolen articles were recovered. He had cleverly disposed them of through his gang. In the court, he denied all the charges. Someone else seems to have tampered with Ramsing 070's program. The police found me at home, he argued. What happened after Prem Chopra was arrested? કે પ્રેમ ચોપરા પકડાયો પછી શું થયું? તો after Prem Chopra was arrested પછી અહીંયાથી લખવાનું છે he was released on bail. Where the stolen articles recovered? Why? શું ખોવાયેલા ઘરેણા ચોરાયેલા ઘરેણાઓ મળ્યા? શા માટે? તો નન ઓફ ધ સ્ટોલન આર્ટિકલ્સ વર રિકવર્ડ. બરાબર. પછી શું મૂકશો? બીકોઝ નન ઓફ ધ સ્ટોલન આર્ટિકલ્સ વર રિકવર્ડ બીકોઝ હી એટલે કોણ? પ્રેમ ચોપરા. બીકોઝ પ્રેમ ચોપરા had cleverly disposed them off through his gang. None of the stolen articles were recovered because Prem Chopra had cleverly disposed them off through his gang. What did Prem Chopra argue in the court? Prem Chopra કોર્ટમાં શું દલીલ કરી? તો પ્રેમ ચોપરા આર્ગ્યુનું થશે આર્ગ્યુડ. પ્રેમ ચોપરા આર્ગ્યુડ ઇન ધ કોર્ટ ધેટ, ઇનડાયરેક્ટ કરવાનું છે આપણે આનું, એટલે ધેટ સમવન એલ્સ, સિમ્સનું કરવાનું seemed to have tampered with Ramsing 070 program. So, and the police had found નું શું થશે? had found, કારણ કે ઇનડાયરેક્ટ કરીએ છીએ. had found મીનું થશે him at home. ફરી એકવાર, પ્રેમ ચોપરા argued in the court that someone else પ્રેમ ચોપરા argued, બરાબર, argued કર્યું in the court that someone else, seemsનું કરશો seemed to have tampered with Ramsing 070 program. The police found નું કરશો had found. The police had found me છે તેનું કરશો him at home. Why was Prem Chopra given bail? પ્રેમ ચોપરાને શા માટે બેલ પર છોડવામાં આવ્યો? તો પ્રેમ ચોપરા વોઝ, પછી મૂકશો વોઝ મૂકશો. પ્રેમ ચોપરા વોઝ ગિવન બેલ બીકોઝ none of the stolen articles were recovered from his home. Because none of the articles were recovered from his home. કારણ કે એના ઘરેથી એક પણ આર્ટિકલ પકડાયું નહીં. Counsel Jal cleared his throat and reached closer to the judge. Considering Mr. Prem Chopra's explanation and the happening of the last few days, when so many jewelers and custodians have been affected, it seems important to know the working of Ramsing Robert. I request Ramsing Robert to be called in the court. Robert goes to the court was the headline in the next day papers. What did counsel Jal request the judge? counsel Jale જજને શું વિનંતી કરી? તો counsel Jal did આવ્યું એટલે તમે રિક્વેસ્ટનું કરશો requested. counsel Jal requested the judge. counsel Jal requested the judge Ramsing Robert to be called in the court. counsel Jal requested the judge. હવે ટુ બી નહીં લખો ને તો આ રીતે લખજો. counsel Jal requested the judge to call Ramsing Robert in the court. ફરી એકવાર, counsel Jal requested the judge to call Ramsing Robert in the court. Why was it important to know the working of the robot? કે રોબર્ટનું વર્કિંગ જાણવું શા માટે જરૂર હતું? તો it was important to know the working of the robot because so many jewelers and curio dealers have been affected. It was important to know the working of the robot because so many jewelers and curio dealers had been affected. આપણે ઇનડાયરેક્ટ કરીએ છીએ એટલે હેવને બદલે તમારે અહીંયા મૂકવાનું છે had been affected. The next day the court was overcrowded with people keen to watch a Robert in the witness box. Counsel Jal was sticking off points till the last moment. He appeared confident and crisp, but so was Prem Chopra. Never would this machine may betray his master. The proceeding began and Ram Singh 070 appeared in the witness box. Why was the court overcrowded with people? કે આખી કોર્ટ કેમ ટોળે ટોળા થઈ ગયા? તો the court was overcrowded with people to watch a robot in the witness box. આખું લાઈને લખી દેવાનું છે. The court was overcrowded with people keen to watch a robot in the witness box. Why was પ્રેમ ચોપરા કોન્ફિડન્ટ? પ્રેમ ચોપરા શા માટે કોન્ફિડન્ટ હતો? તો તમે જાણો છો કે એ જાણતો હતો કે કોઈ દિવસ રોબોટ માલિકની વિરુદ્ધ જશે નહીં. તો પ્રેમ ચોપરા વોઝ confident because this machine he knew એ જાણતો હતો that never would that machine may betray his master. Prem Chopra was confident because Prem Chopra was confident. પછી તમારે શું મૂકવાનું છે? because he knew that never would this machine may betray his master. અથવા તો પ્રેમ ચોપરા was confident because he knew that Robert would never betray his master. Prem Chopra was confident because he knew that Robert would never betray his master. Your Honor, counsel shall begin. I am told by super robots that the memory tape design in this type of robots contains information of the previous week. But the case started a fortnight after the incident. The needed information must be wiped out. Counsel Jal smiled softly, staring at Prem Chopra. Sir, the robot has been switched off out of operation ever since. Prem Chopra's face fell, but he was confident. Ram Singh 070 would obey his masters. The secrets were sealed. Why did judge feel that the needed information must be wiped out? જજને શા માટે લાગ્યું કે જરૂરી માહિતી કાઢી નાખવામાં આવી હશે? તો ધ જજ ફીલનું તમે શું કરશો? ડીડ છે એટલે ફેલ્ટ. ધ જજ ફેલ્ટ ધેટ નીડેડ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન મસ્ટ હેવ બીન વાઇપ્ડ આઉટ because the case started a fortnight after the incident. The judge felt that the needed information must have been wiped out because the case started a fortnight after the incident. Why was counsel Jal sure that the information was not wiped out? The counsel Jal was sure. શા માટે કાઉન્સિલ જેલને એવું ખાતરી હતી કે માહિતી નહીં કાઢી નાખવી હોય? Counsel Jal was sure that the information was not wiped out because the robot had been switched out of operation ever since operation. The counsel Jal was sure that the information was not wiped out because the robot had been switched out of the operation. After then, ever since after that. Why was Prem Chopra confident? પહેલા પેરેગ્રાફમાંથી તો Prem Chopra was confident because Ram Singh would obey his master. Because Ram Singh would, આગળ લાઈન આપી છે, because Ram Singh would obey his master. આગળ Council turned to Ramsing Robert. Who is your master? He asked briefly. A dull blue light flashed, and after a memory tap whirring sound, the Robert squeaked in the metallic tone, Mr. Prem Chopra. What did you do for Prem Chopra? A pose were, then a metallic answer, cleaning, moving the lawn, washing, doing dishes, shopping. Recall in detail your activities of last 6 days, Council interrupted. What did Council ask Robert to do? तो काउंसिल जेल शू पूछ्યું रॉबर्ट ने तो काउंसिल जेल आस्क्ड रॉबर्ट શું એ પૂછ્યું એને કાઉન્સિલ જેલ આસ્ક રોબર્ટ ટુ રિકોલ ઇન ડિટેલ યોરનું થશે હિઝ એક્ટિવિટીઝ ઓફ લાસ્ટ 6 days પ્રીવિયસ 6 days કાઉન્સિલ જેલ asked Robert to recall in detail his activities of the previous 6 days. What did Council ask Robert? તો એમાં પણ એ જ જવાબ આવશે. Council stopped the tap. Notice the pose, Your Honors, as some action is not revealed. What was this instruction? Who gave this instruction? He questioned Ramsing. Information not to be revealed, he responded. But why? Roberts do not disobey masters. Several people who have suffered losses will harm if this information are not repeated. What were those instructions? Council persuaded. Roberts do not harm people. Ramsing 070 responded mechanically. Why did Council ask the judge to notice the pose? શા માટે કાઉન્સિલ જેલે પેલા જજને પેલો પોઝ જે અટક્યા એ નોટિસ કરવા કહ્યું તો કાઉન્સિલ જેલ asked the judge to notice the pose because some action was not revealed. Why did Robert not reveal the information? Robert did not reveal the information because Roberts do not disobey master. Why did Council persuaded the Robert to reveal the information? Council શા માટે રોબર્ટને માહિતી જણાવવા માટે આજીજી કરી? Council persuaded the Robert to reveal the information because several people had been suffered losses will be harmed. Because several people were suffered losses would be harmed. Friends, તો તમારે આ સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીમાં લખવાના છે અને સ્વાધ્યાય પોથી નહીં હોય તો નોટમાં સવાલ ઉતારીને લખવાના છે.